All right, man. What's your name and what model is this car right here?
Bud Prillaman, it's a 1974. My dad bought this truck brand new. We lived in Colorado, and it was bought in Colorado, brought back to Virginia.
Yes, sir. I see a pretty wild picture right behind you. Can you tell me a little bit about that day and, the adventure you had to get that picture?
Yeah, you didn't used to be able to ride on the dunes, but we used to come here and get on the dunes, and the cops were actually chasing me up the sand dune. They couldn't get up, and they caught everybody else. I slipped through the woods and got away.
Yo, that's why you put the work in on a machine like this. All right, what really draws you to the Bronco community, you think?
I don't know. I think I was 11 years old when my dad bought this truck, and I've always liked them, and I've had a bunch of them. And I just think they're really cool vehicles.
All right, and what's the most custom thing you think on this Bronco?
Probably that it's the original body, and my dad bought it new, and it's got the Cobra Jet motor in it now.
Nice. And I heard you talking with Brad a few minutes ago. How many engines have you changed in and out of this thing?
This is a 17th motor. We used to mostly put big blocks in it, and then they came up with this Cobra Jet Mustang motor. To be stock, it's pretty stout.
Excellent. All right, and is there anything else that you'd like, your friends, your fam, anyone who loves Broncos, anything about this car?
Well, we got a lot of friends here that are early model Bronco people, and I see they're getting the new ones, and we've got a couple new ones, and we really like those a lot. The new ones seem like they're on point.
Dude, the goat mode is real interesting.
It is. We've got two Sasquatches, and goat mode, and I just wish they put a V8 in them. When they put the V8 in it, we're going to sell all the new. We got 6 new ones, and between me and my son, we use them for business and pleasure. But when they do that, I think we're going to sell them, and we're going to get another one if they put a V8 in. We're
yes, sir. All right, man. Well, here's to you getting that supercharged up.
Appreciate everything.
All right.